with my boy. It's too hard to see him. Fucking storm is insane. Watch here, you want to be a cameraman for a minute?
Yeah, I got my money now, I got my movie deal. This shit's crazy. Too old to be in the club.
Yeah, man. Fucking going like 36 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour.
One of us need to grow up. I damn near beat the shit out of her when she had my
Coming down. Driving in the winter.
Today I thought that I was going to be stuck for my first time, but it didn't happen. I didn't have to get anybody to help me out. Like, I don't know. I was almost stuck. I don't know whether I was technically stuck or not. I mean, I got out under my own power.
Got out of it.
This is the most challenging the weather's been so far this year. And today I realized that snow and ice mode is good, but when it's like a foot deep and there's no track, it's a little harder on the car. So don't think because you got snow and ice mode you're going to be making it through a foot of frickin' snow. Back to Africa. Yeah, man, it is crazy out here. I think I'm done passing people. Like, the other lane is just turned to fucking just a sheet of snow and ice. Well, we've been at it for 20 miles, dude, and it's been almost an hour. Yeah, it's crazy. Wins the race, right? Crazy.
But we're making it.
Oh yeah. Shit, no problem.